Are you looking for ways to cut costs in your business? Ask yourself, am I paying too much for waste expenses and recycling? Global Trash Solutions can reduce your expenses by 50% or more. Introducing the award-winning GTS 2000 Trash Compactor and Cardboard Baler. Superior functionality, sleek design, easy to clean, computer-operated controls, and custom waste dolly. Can you cut your waste expenses in half this year? We can. Sounds too good to be true? Let us put it in writing for you. Purchase, lease, or demo a compactor you can rely on from a name you can trust. Global Trash Solutions, changing the way the world handles waste.